Welcome to AmeriPlan. We are one of the nation's largest discounted fee-for-service healthcare benefit programs. And since 1992, we have saved over 1.5 million members more than $1 billion.
If you're looking to save money on your family's medical, dental, vision, prescription, and chiropractic expenses, you're at the right place at the right time.
AmeriPlan is not insurance. We are the smart alternative for the uninsured and underinsured.
As a leader of the massive movement in healthcare called consumer-driven healthcare, we're changing the way people get the care they need on a variety of important services. Medical, dental, vision, prescription, chiropractic, physician, X-ray, lab, hospital advocacy, and more.
With thousands of healthcare providers in our network all across the country, in big cities and in small towns, we're almost everywhere.
I saved $94 on the glasses I'm wearing right now.
Bill was over $700. I saved over $288.
With the co-pays, my insurance was going to be $30. Regular price was $34, and we paid $17. So that's a 50% savings.
The savings are great. The cost is low.
I was very pleased.
It's just so easy to use.
It's not too good to be true. It's an incredible program.
Walk in and present your card to them and watch the savings.
As a member of AmeriPlan, the rates you pay to see a dentist for preventative care services are reduced by up to 80%. In fact, if you sign up today, you could see a dentist and start saving almost immediately. There is no paperwork to complete, and there are no limits to how many visits or services you can use.
And all specialties are included, including orthodontics for both children and adults, and cosmetic dentistry, such as bleaching or aesthetic bonded finishes in selected markets.
I went to the dental office. Instead of me paying $5,000 for my braces, I only paid $1,764, which was $98 a month. So I was really excited.
All specialists are included in most areas: periodontists, endodontists, pedodontists, oral surgeons, orthodontists, and prosthodontists.
And it doesn't matter if you've had a dental problem for a long time, because all ongoing dental problems are accepted, except orthodontic treatments in progress. And with a network of over 30,000 dental providers nationwide, it's easy to find a great provider almost anywhere.
Went online and found a provider that was just a few blocks from the house.
And there was just numerous to pick from.
We have excellent providers. If people didn't have a great dentist to go to, they wouldn't stay on our plan and keep using it year after year.
The Vision Care benefit also gives you immediate savings. We have more than 12,000 optical providers nationwide, including most national chains, such as LensCrafters, Sears, JCPenney, and Pearl Vision, with savings up to 60%. Save from 20 to 60% on all frames, lenses, tints, scratch-resistant coatings, and UV protection.
Save from 10 to 20% on contact lenses, excluding disposables, and up to 40% on mail-ordered replacement contacts. Save from 10 to 55% on ophthalmology exams and surgery, including LASIK with certain providers in selected markets.
I have saved on these glasses that I'm wearing. These are Versace's, and they cost $515, and I saved $215, so I only paid $300. So that was a great savings.
When I went into LensCrafters, they wanted to charge me $100 for glasses, and then I produced my AmeriPlan card, and they told me it was $25. I said, wow, thanks AmeriPlan.
With more than 7,500 participating doctors in our chiropractic network, AmeriPlan members receive 50% savings on all diagnostic services, 50% savings on all required X-rays, 30% savings on all treatment and other services, and a toll-free number to locate participating network chiropractors.
Went to the chiropractor and saved $35 off the regular price of a chiropractic adjustment.
Went into the website, looked up providers, and lots of choices. Found one in my neighborhood, went in, he gave me a good thorough checkup, gave me an adjustment, and rather than paying the regular price of $45, I only paid $32. And I've been going to him ever since, and he does a great job.
Frustrated by the high costs of prescriptions?
We have over 50,000 retail pharmacy locations nationwide, including most national chain pharmacies, such as CVS, Walgreens, Target, and Rite Aid.
Save up to 50% on most generic prescriptions. Save up to 25% on most brand name prescription drugs. And we offer special mail order savings on most high-volume maintenance-type drugs.
I save $15 a month on a $30 prescription.
Could use the Ameriplan card there at my local pharmacy, and I discovered I would save 50% there. But when I found I could save 89% with the mail order, I went for that the next month.
I paid $6 for 3 prescriptions. The savings was off the chart.
Ameriplan members also receive fantastic savings, up to 50% and more, on physician services, with no waiting periods other than a short wait for your card and no pre-authorization needed. Specialists, even cosmetic surgery, is included where available, and there is no age limit. Look at this example. A new patient limited visit normally costs up to $135. With Ameriplan, it's only $73.
I don't have to file paperwork. I don't have to follow up. I don't have to argue whether this was really done or get other verification. Just the whole program makes life a lot easier.
Ameriplan also includes ancillary medical care, such as labs, x-rays, MRIs, physical therapy, and nutritional counseling. Services that many traditional insurance companies don't even begin to cover.
Laboratory fees for a lipid panel normally cost $88, but with Ameriplan, you only pay $11. That's an 87% savings.
Ameriplan Health also includes hospital advocacy, a valuable service that could save you dramatic amounts of money.
August 5th at 8:45 in the morning, I have a massive heart attack. End up spending 9 days in intensive care, almost 3 weeks in the hospital, with no health insurance. And I know that this has got to cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. I didn't have a clue what hospital advocacy really was. Didn't know how this was going to really work. But there was a person assigned my case, my advocate. I just faxed him a couple of forms and literally 2 pages. Then I faxed him the bills once he was assigned the case. 48 hours after he gets the materials from me, calls me back and says, "Scott, I got this taken care of for you. I think you're going to like the results." So I get this one letter that tells me about what I end up saving from the hospital. The amount, $118,641. Discount, $85,641.34. The settled amount is $33,000. I was worried about what was going to happen to our family. What were we going to do without? What was going to happen to us? And I don't have to worry about that now, thanks to Ameriplan.
Ever had a health question but no one to ask? No longer, because as an Ameriplan member, you get access to NurseLine. At no additional cost, you can address immediate healthcare matters or get your health questions answered by a licensed, registered nurse 24/7. You could save hours waiting in a doctor's office, lost time from work or school, and the high cost of office visits.
As an Ameriplan member, you can also receive other fantastic money-saving benefits. We all know there is nothing more frustrating than having trouble with your car while on the road. And if the trouble with the car isn't enough, you sure don't want trouble getting immediate assistance 24/7 by a reliable, qualified service provider. Membership in the Ameriplan Auto Club, administered by the United States Auto Club Motoring Division, will give you the service, the comfort, and the savings to lessen your bad experience. For the first $50 of emergency roadside or towing services, you just sign your name and drive away. Nothing to pay. Additional charges are discounted by at least 25% off of the retail price. Breakdowns still are not fun, but this program lessens the pain.
Today, identity theft has become a $50 billion problem in the United States. More and more people at all levels of society are becoming victims. What once was a problem for the wealthy has become a problem for all of us. With Ameriplan's CLC Identity Theft Assistance, you can now be safe with prevention and resolution protection.
Should you have the need to consult an attorney, Ameriplan's legal program will give you a free initial consultation for each occurrence and a 25% discount on any ongoing legal fees. You will also have access to over 4,500 online legal documents, along with a complete legal reference resource.
With AmeriPlan, you're going to save regardless, each and every time you use it.
AmeriPlan is changing the way people get the care and services they need. And because we are not insurance, you win.
No waiting periods, no paperwork to fill out, no age limits, no ongoing medical problem exclusions, and no hassles. You never have to fill out paperwork, and there are no limits to how many visits or services you can use.
You won't be denied service because you have an existing problem or ailment, because all ongoing medical and dental problems are accepted.
With thousands of medical providers, almost 30,000 dental providers, in excess of 12,000 optical providers, more than 7,500 chiropractic providers, and 50,000 plus retail pharmacy locations all across the country in big cities and small towns, we're nearly everywhere. How much does it cost? That's the best part. We have 4 great options. Just pick your program.
With AmeriPlan Dental Plus, you get the dental, vision, prescription, and chiropractic services for one low monthly membership fee of only $19.95. And that includes your entire household. That's everyone who lives at your address.
Well, what's cool is a whole entire household is covered, whether they're related to you or not.
Boyfriends, girlfriends, in-laws, outlaws, makes no difference. If they're underneath your roof, they're covered with the program.
It's affordable to get on it, and it's affordable to stay on it.
With AmeriPlan Basic Health, you get the physician, ancillary, hospital advocacy, and nurse line services for one low monthly membership fee of only $29.95. Think how much you could save. And again, that includes your entire household. That's everyone living at your address.
With AmeriPlan Total Health, you get the dental, vision, prescription, chiropractic, physician, ancillary, hospital advocacy, and nurse line services for one low monthly membership fee for your household of only $39.95. Amazing!
But if you are looking at maximizing all the benefits, then you want Total Health Plus. That includes dental, vision, prescription, chiropractic, physician, ancillary, hospital advocacy, and nurse line services, as well as auto club, legal, and identity theft. All for one low monthly membership fee of only $59.95. And again, that includes your entire household. That's everyone who lives at your address. So what are you waiting for? Start saving money.
As a leader of the massive consumer-driven healthcare movement, we're changing the way people get the care they need. And as members of the Consumer Health Alliance, the National Association of Health Underwriters, the Direct Selling Association, and the National Association of Dental Plans, we are a company that you can trust.
And we offer a 100% money-back satisfaction guarantee.
Contact the person who gave you this DVD and become a member right now.
But wait, AmeriPlan has just announced its newest program, Unlimited Free Prescriptions, through our brand new AmeriPlan Prescription Advocacy Program. Ask the person who gave you this DVD for more information.